Time for another Grease Monkey Gab. Random thoughts of an aircraft mechanic from the commute. Although today, I'm expecting quite a bit of snow, so we're doing it sitting here in the parking lot on lunch, so, real life. And the subject for today is, you don't know what you think you do, but that's okay. If you're new to me and my channel, I've been a mechanic of various sorts since pretty much high school. Got my pilot license in 2011, and 2019 I bought a project airplane and spent a good bit of time going through it and getting it airworthy again. At the end of 2022, I finally got the opportunity to pursue my A&P license. With my background in research, I thought I had a pretty good idea of what to expect starting out up here. Although there's some similarities, I'd say a GA repair station definitely is an animal all its own. I'll wait for the snowplow to go by here. I did some interviews, and then I had the opportunity to come up and work for a day, kind of see what I know and see what I could do. Just kind of a trial run. There was a couple points where my IA asked, do you know how to do this? Do you know how to do that? I'm saying, sure, absolutely. I did enough to get by for, maybe automotive or whatever, but maybe not good enough for government work. No matter how well you know a seemingly minor, very basic task, there's always somebody else who probably knows more than you do. And the IA I'm working for, he's got over 35 years of experience doing this, just on the GA side. And that's where I want to turn the corner. If you're going into a shop as an A&P apprentice, you're not expected to know everything and how to do everything. You will get tested, you will get trialed throughout the experience, but nobody expects you to be perfect right off the bat, and people will check behind you. The main point I want to make is if you're going the apprentice route, you really just want to be trainable. I mean, that's what these shops are looking for. If you go in thinking you know it all and, you're not easy to work with, they're probably going to pass on you. But it's okay to say you don't know. And that, honestly, with my experience with some things, it was hard for me to say that. And sometimes it's better just to, admit that you don't know all of it, or even just sometimes say you don't so you can get their perspective and get their knowledge, which might just be better than what you had. As I said to my boss early on, I'm here to learn, and I'll take any training experience opportunity I can. You just got to humble yourself a little bit beforehand. I know as the new person, you really want to prove yourself and show that you are meant to be here, but sometimes you just got to take a step back. And just like that, it's time for me to get back to work, so thank you for watching these random thoughts of an aircraft mechanic while sitting in the parking lot.